Hi everyone, so welcome to today's Sunday Sunshine Show, brought to you by the Transatlantic Housewives of YouTube. If you haven't seen one of my videos before, there are 4 of us British ladies that collaborate every Sunday morning at 7:30. I happen to live in America and the other 3 ladies live in England, but that's why we call ourselves, just for a bit of fun, the Transatlantic Housewives of YouTube. We're all over 50. We all love having fun, and we've been doing this collaboration for over a year now, and we just love it, and we hope that you love it just as much. Each Sunday we bring you a completely different theme. Sometimes we're out and about videoing, and sometimes we're in the home. Today's video is going to be cleaning, and because it's spring, we thought it's perfect. So every video we choose a theme and then we put our own spin on it, so everyone's video is completely different from the others. So after you watch this video, please pop over to Tina, Maree and Karen's video and give them some support, and please consider subscribing to our channels. So in my video, I'm going to be sharing some cleaning hacks, and I'm also going to be doing a change out of my floral arrangement because I've still got my winter one. So let's jump into the video. Now, your kitchen sponge, now I only learned this one a couple of years ago, but you can put this in your dishwasher. I would never have thought to do this had I not seen it on YouTube myself. So pop it in your dishwasher along with this cycle, put it on the top tray. Turn it on, and then it will extend the life of your sponge. You've got a brand new, clean, disinfected sponge all over again. So yeah, I like that one. This next idea, whoever thought of this, you're a genius. You want to take your favorite essential oil. Now I have lavender, and you're going to put a few drops on the light bulb. Now when you turn that lamp on, it's going to heat up the light bulb, and that scent is just going to waft through your living room. I think that's brilliant. So this next tip is if you have spiders or critters in your house. I've always recommended this one to my friends. Get yourself some peppermint essential oil. Get yourself a spray bottle. Put some drops into some water and then spray all around your doorways and your windows. And if there's any vents, because spiders do not like peppermint, they will stop coming in. Also, what you can do is spray it onto your mop head or your microfiber cloth when you do your walls and your ceilings, so there's no chance of spiders getting in. I don't know if this works on scorpions, because we do have scorpions here in Vegas. This will leave your house smelling good, plus it will save you money because you're not spending money on all those expensive pesticides, and I'm sure it's better for the environment too. So that's another tip. This next cleaning tip, you want to put a sock on it. I just learned this one. I really like this one. So you can do it 2 different ways. You can put a plastic glove on first, then put the sock on, just like this. Then you want to spray the sock. We're going to go to the blinds. How easy is that? So I love this one. I think this is brilliant. I think over the years I've tried many different ways of cleaning those wretched blinds, which I really don't like, but I think this one is my personal favourite. What do you think? Got it here. So a little tip for your bathroom, get those essential oils again. Today I'm going to use my all-time favourite, lavender. Get yourself a cotton ball, put some drops on, and then you want to just hide it behind your plant on the top of your toilet. Now another place that you can put this cotton ball, well actually you can hide it all over the house, to be honest with you, but another place that I learned from Mr. Carrington's channel is that if you have a cylinder vacuum, plop one of these in the cylinder part, and as you vacuum, it's going to make the smell like just permeate throughout wherever you're vacuuming, which is a brilliant idea. Love it. Right, I'm just going to tuck this back here again. Now, when I clean, I always want at the end of my cleaning session to feel like I'm walking into a little hotel spa scenario. I always want my house to smell good. And one of the ways, I did actually mention this brand, I think in last week's video, it's called Everspring. This one is the all-purpose cleaner, and this scent is citrus and basil, or citrus and basil if you're in England. And it smells so good, it really does. Pair it with a microfiber cloth, and I'm going to get to doing a little bit of dusting. So I would like to introduce Tina, Maree and Karen. First we have Maree, and Maree's channel is Maree Crocker. And all of our channels are very similar. We all do lifestyle, but Maree does like to take us on her vacations to Greece. So if you're interested in seeing Greece, Maree's channel is the one to watch. Next we have Tina, and her channel is Tina's Talk Time. And hers also is a lifestyle channel, but out of the four of us, I think Tina likes to do more cooking than us four. Next we have Karen, and Karen's channel is Geordie Grandma, and Karen loves to take us out and about in her neck of the woods, which is the northern part of England. Their channels are going to be linked in my description box. All you have to do is click on their name and that will take you straight to their channel. Okay, let's go back to the video. As you can see, I still have my winter decor here, so I'm gonna do that today. I'm gonna commit. We're gonna go to Hobby Lobby real quick, and hopefully, fingers crossed, they got their sprigs on sale. Now, Hobby Lobby is one of those stores that they have a sale on every single week, but each week they pick a different like area of the store. So one week it'll be frames, next week it'll be pots, and hopefully, fingers crossed, it'll be sprigs, so I can get some cheapy sprigs, and we'll do like a little spring summer thing in the vase there. So let's crack on. So I have an update on doing a floral arrangement. It's not going to happen this week. I went to Hobby Lobby. They literally had the whole store on sale except for the florals. So I thought, well, let me just price it up and just see how much it would cost. So I picked, I want to say 8 sprigs. I got to the checkout. I said, do you mind just pricing this up for me? It was $52. However, with Hobby Lobby, if you save your receipt and whatever you purchase does go on sale within 14 days, you can get the difference back. However, you have to bring all the items back into the store with you. So it would have meant deconstructing a floral arrangement, keeping the price tags on them, and taking back the receipt. And I was like, I could probably just wait until next week and then just buy them at the sale price. So unfortunately, that's not going to happen in this video. I'm so sorry. But yeah, let's just press on. Now, another little tip that I've actually done for quite a few years, and I'm pretty sure I learnt this on YouTube, that's get yourself some baking soda. And they sell it at the dollar store for $1.25. Rip the top off and keep this, give it a nice little shake every now and then, and keep this in your fridge, because I find that when you've got onions or anything that like a leftover in your fridge, and you open up the door and you get that waft, that will decrease the scent of foods and stuff in your fridge. It really works a treat. So another little hack is to get yourself some ice cubes. If you're in a rush and you want to get the wrinkles out of your top, add some ice cubes, and your top will come out of the dryer wrinkle free in no time. Okay, this next tip, I personally haven't tried it myself, but if you have, could you let me know? Because I do want to try it, but I'm a little bit nervous because it does mean putting dish soap in a dishwasher, and I'm a little scared that the suds are just going to go berserk and go everywhere. But if you run out of these little tabs here, put a little bit of baking soda and a squirt of this in your dishwasher, and that's supposed to work. Again, I haven't tried it, but if you have, would you let me know? Like I said, I am a bit nervous of this one. Also, to clean your dishwasher, run it on an empty cycle with a cup of white vinegar just in the top. Apparently it's supposed to clean up a tree. I haven't done that one, but I am going to try that later on today. Now this next cleaning tip, I'm sure all of you are going to know this first part, but some of you may not know the second part to this. And the second part is what could actually save your life. I learned, oh gosh, years ago about dryers and the buildup of lint and, you know, the tube that goes out from the back of the dryer into the, I think it's into the garage or garage. You have to clean that out because the lint builds up and it heats up, and then that's what starts the fire. Well, you know the little filter at the front of the dryer, ta-da, mine needs emptying, which we all know that, but it's the second part that I'm about to tell you. Okay, so you want to get your filter and give it a wash. The reason why is if you use those dryer sheets, actually mine's not too bad. What tends to happen is the water will pool on the top and not run through because of those dryer sheets. What they do, they will build up almost an invisible film. I don't use dryer sheets that much. That's probably why it was not too bad. But what will happen is the water will pool on the top and it won't go through because the dryer sheets leave like an invisible film on the top, and that stops your tumble dryer working properly. It will heat up, and that's another way that it can start a fire. So you want to pull out the filter, take out the lint, and then give it a good wash, which is what I'm about to do. So just to show you, that water's going straight through now. Another little tip that I just learned, which I haven't done myself again, is in the toilet, you know, the tank portion, if you take that lid off, apparently if you pour a cup of white vinegar in there and just let it sit for an hour and then flush it, apparently that's supposed to do wonders for the tank and cleaning all that out, and if there's any smells. And then I also saw another lady, what she did was she went to the dollar store and she got, forgotten what it's called. It's a cleaning solution. It has a scent. It's, oh gosh, well, I guess you could use any cleaning solution. What you do is a bottle about this size, put a couple of pinpricks in the top of the bottle, turn it upside down, sit it in that same toilet tank, and every time you flush, it draws some of that solution out and it flushes down the toilet. So that's really another good way to keep your costs low, saving yourself some money, because it's only $1.25 from the dollar store or from the pound store. And yeah, I thought that was brilliant. I'm actually going to try that today, and I'm going to do the white vinegar in my dishwasher later today. So yeah, if I'm still filming this, I will include it in this video, but if not, I've probably already edited it, and I'll let you know in a future video how it worked out. So if you have tried any of those, let me know how they worked out for you, or if you've got any good little hacks or ideas. I do love a good hack. One, if it makes my life easier and quicker, and two, if it's going to save me some money. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Next week we have a special guest. I'm not going to tell you who it is. I'm going to keep it a secret. If you did like this video, consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell. That notification bell is really important so you don't miss any future videos. I've done it myself. I've subscribed to channels, and I thought to myself, you know what was that girl's name? And I can't remember for the life of me. I've lost channels in the past that I really enjoyed watching, and then you know how you skip from one channel to another, and then you think to yourself, oh gosh, what was that girl's name? And I don't remember. So hitting the notification bell is really important. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in a couple of days. Pop over to Tina, Karen and Maree's channel and watch their videos. I'm about to do that right now. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you soon.